myself. So, my full name is Tanya Shokin. I come from India and I live in Delhi. And I am a German language teacher. I teach German language past 6 years. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Faisal Ashfaq Sayed. I am from India, Pune. I am learning in school standard 7th.
Hmm.
My school name is Emmanuel Marthoma School.
Okay, that's great. Okay, and now you want to learn German language, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let's start it.
Miss, in future I go in a German. That wise.
Okay, you would like to go Germany.
Yes, miss.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, wait, let me share my screen, then we will start it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you comfortable with two
Miss one.
languages?
Yes, miss.
Are you comfortable with both languages, English and Hindi, right?
Yes, miss.
All right. Okay, now let's start it. Okay, firstly, let's start with the German word. If I say German, then how can we say German in German language? Now I am saying it in English language. In English, we say German, but in
Yes.
German language, we say it Deutsch.
What, miss?
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Correct. Pronounce it Deutsch.